In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in Among Us. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Among Us application. Once you do that, you can see over here Among Us application will be opened. Once the application is opened, what you have to do is simply wait for a while and you'll automatically be prompted to sign in to your account. You'll have to select a Play Games profile in order to sign into your account. You'll be able to see the available Google Play Store accounts over here. Right now, you'll be able to see the account that is selected. What you have to do is simply tap on this drop down icon. Now, after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select the Google account. You'll be able to find various Google accounts over here. If you do not see the Google account over here, you can also add another account by tapping on this option, add another account. After that, enter the email and password and another Google account will be added. If you want to select from the existing Google account, simply tap on the Google account that you want to select. Now, once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now, after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be signed in to your Among Us account and you'll be able to play it. So that is how you sign in Among Us. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.